To make this beautiful flowing vase, it consists of only 2 folds. The first fold is you're going to go ahead and you're going to take the top right corner and fold it down into the gutter. Then you're going to take the bottom right corner and meet it to where that came down right there. Now, where this smaller fold ends right here is you're going to take this corner all the way to the right and fold it in to that spot. So right here is where you fold that in. That is fold number 1. Fold number 2 is you're going to take the bottom right corner and fold it up, so the opposite direction this time. Then you're going to go ahead and fold it again, almost as if you were making a paper airplane. If you ever made a Christmas tree before, it's going in the opposite direction. Then you turn that over, and then you have this extra flap right here. You're going to go ahead and fold that down and tuck in. And as you can already see, this is going to be the beautiful outline of this really, really pretty vase. So you're going to go ahead and do it again. You're just going to repeat this back and forth. So top right, bring it down, bottom comes up to meet it, take that outside corner and fold it in. And go ahead and do the bottom. The opposite. Bottom right corner comes up, fold it over again, flip it over, and then tuck that little extra piece in. Then you're going to go ahead and go to the other fold. Top right, bring it down, bottom right, bring it up, fold in. Bottom right up, fold over again, flip over, bring down. So as you already can see, this is the start. You're going to go through this entire book doing this, and then when you come back, we're going to do something special with these flaps to give it a really special flowing look. And then we're going to go ahead and make some beautiful flowers. I'm going to show you how to make out of old paper to adorn our beautiful vase. Super excited? Please stay tuned. So once you've completed your beautiful vase, the last step is you're going to go back and you're going to take every other of these triangles out. So this one would stay folded in, this would come out, this would stay, this would come out. And that's what's going to give this vase a beautiful flowing look. While I go ahead and continue doing this, this would be a great time for you to like and subscribe to my channel. And please stay tuned because I'm going to show you how to make beautiful flowers to adorn this as well. So the fun has just started. So as you can see, once this book has been flattened a bit more, the flow that this creates. It's very, very beautiful. Now the next step is to make the flowers. So to make the flowers, we're going to be making these really beautiful flowers. And guess what we're going to use is book pages. So you're going to go ahead, take a book page, and go ahead and create the perfect square by always taking the top, bottom right corner, folding it up, and you fold this extra flap over like so, and that will always create a perfect square for you. So it's just a really good trick to know. Then to make these flowers, make the triangle, fold the triangle in half, fold the triangle in half. Then you're going to go ahead and draw a petal shape onto your paper like so. Cut your petal shape out. And unfold. And then you'll have your petal shape. And then what you're going to do is you're going to go ahead and cut one of your petals out. And that's what's going to allow for this really nice 3D look. And then you're going to go ahead and cut slits into all your other petals so that you have room to curl each of the leaves. And go ahead and take glue, or I like to use this tape runner, and go down one of the petals, and then you're going to bring this over like so, and that's what gives you that really nice 3D look. Then go ahead and take a pencil or something else and curl each of your leaves. And as soon as we're done with that, we'll go ahead and make the center part. So we have that part. Not sure what that is, just cut off that, give it a little bit more shape like that. And then we're going to go ahead and make this very center part. To make the very center part, go ahead and take whatever color cardstock you prefer, and you're going to go ahead and make thin little slits down your paper. If you've ever done quilling, this is a very basic quilling way to make flowers. So cut, cut, cut. Just make sure you don't cut all the way through. And of course I've done that too many times. And you can make your center color any color you want. That's probably about long enough. Again, I'm going to use my tape runner for this. You can use glue as well. And then I'm going to actually use a quilling tool. If you don't have a quilling tool, you could just roll it by hand as tight as you can. This just makes it a little bit easier. And the quilling tool has this little slit that grabs onto it, and then it allows you to twist it. You can buy this tool on Amazon, Joann's, Michael's, wherever you buy your craft supplies. It'll be over with the quilling supplies. But you really, if you're not going to do this a lot, you really don't need it. And you can spread these out a little bit. And then what we're going to do is we're just going to glue it right in the middle of our flower. Like so. And we'll make a bunch of these, and then we'll put them, then we'll go ahead and glue it on top of our vase like so.